Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Just getting off work here. I wanted to give you a little bit of update on the predator situation we had a little while ago. It ended up being a hawk, and haven't seen it around in a while. The hawk we really can't do a whole lot about because, you know, they're somewhat protected around here, so we can't shoot them or anything like that. So probably lose 1 or 2 chickens a year to the hawk, but I'm just glad it's not something, you know, like a coyote or possum, raccoon, or anything like that. So I'm glad it's not any of that. It's definitely a hawk. My wife said that's what she's seen afterwards. So it more than likely that's what it was. That's why the body was kind of left by the coop there. So there's not much we can do about it. I mean, that's why the chickens duck and hide in the coop and all that stuff, is because, you know, they see the hawk in the air and it just scares them. They go away from it. As far as the build going on in the garage, we're working on it. Keep an eye out for that video here in the next probably 3 days, 4 days, part 2, and getting that loft built so we can get some of that stuff put away off the floor in the garage and all that good stuff. So the weather has definitely dropped temperature wise. Last night it got down to 28 degrees. Now yesterday I just got my camper winterized, so I just made that deadline by a few hours. So, you know, I didn't film any of that just because it's just winterizing the camper. There's nothing too exciting about that. But let's go out here and check on some of the animals. I think the horses are messing around out here, so let's go check this on the camera. Here's the chickens hard at work. They tear down this manure pile to almost nothing. It helps it. They help it break down quite a bit. I'm sure if I put a fence around the manure pile that they would just break that whole manure pile all the way down, for sure. Like if I fenced all that off right in there, they'd break it all the way down. What's up, Oscar? What are you doing, kitty? Oscar. Guys, now we'll be moving these guys indoors here pretty quick. The weather's getting kind of cold, so we can't leave them out all winter. We will move them inside in some stalls. So, what, Oscar? I'm trying to video here, being all loud and stuff. So yeah, we'll move these guys inside probably in another week or so. They'll definitely go in. What's up, dude?
Don't you want to play some baseball?
Yep. You want to play baseball?
I guess.
All right, go get the glove. Go get the catcher's glove. And your glove and a couple balls.
The catcher's glove?
Yeah. What is going on, Oscar? Really? Does he have food? I think he wants food. Like he needs it. Looks like Garfield.
They have food.
Yeah, they got food. Oh, there's Binks. Binksy. So we moved all this hay in. got it off the wagon and stuff, so we just had to put it in here. Really, don't have a place to put it. The hay barn out back's pretty full, so it gets to come in here and alongside the stalls, which is kind of inconvenient because the horses want to chew at it every time you bring them in, but it is what it is. At least it's staying dry. That's the main thing. All right, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on this, on things around here. Like I said, keep an eye out for the video of the second part of that loft build and a few other projects coming up. I got to add on to the chicken coop. I know I've been talking about that, but I think I'll finally be able to get to it. Our time changes this weekend, so that's really going to put a hinder on things throughout the week. So the weekends are going to be busy for me for sure. So got that, and I'm working on a duck habitat design that I want to do, and hopefully that'll be coming up here in a few weeks, and all kinds of things. So stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.